Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PDF for novels. PDFs offer a fantastic way to ensure your story looks exactly as intended, no matter where it's read. They provide a consistent reading experience across various devices, preserving your original formatting, including fonts and layouts. Many popular e-readers and digital devices natively support PDF files, making them a versatile choice for sharing your literary creations with a wide audience. To create your novel in PDF format, begin by converting your manuscript from common word processors like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. It's crucial to ensure proper page breaks, consistent margins, and font embedding during this conversion process. You can utilize numerous free online converters or dedicated software for high-quality output, ensuring your novel maintains its professional appearance across all platforms. For an optimal reading experience, use dedicated PDF reader applications. These tools often allow you to adjust zoom levels and page display modes to perfectly suit your screen size, whether it's a small phone or a large tablet. Many readers also offer helpful features such as bookmarks, annotations, and robust text search capabilities, making it easy to navigate and engage with your novel. PDFs are incredibly ideal for sharing and archiving your novels due to their fixed layout, ensuring long-term preservation. When preparing files for mobile devices, consider optimizing the file size for faster loading times. A good practice is to always back up your PDF novel files to prevent any potential data loss, safeguarding your literary work for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.